Do we need to introduce ourselves?
Sure. Hi, we're Lathe to the Grave, and when we're not making the best quality vinyl products money can buy, we're hurting ourselves for pleasure. That's right, today we are doing the Death Nut Challenge. I'll probably put a picture of that here. Basically, after with the whole lockdown thing that I'm sure people have heard about by now, we bought some essential goods, being some peanuts.
So, Death Nut Challenge, version 2. Carolina Reaper peanuts. We've got 5 different levels. Getting started, warming up, it's getting real, pain sets in, and the Death Nut. So the Death Nut is 2 Carolina Reapers, a scorpion, and some 13 million Scoville capsicum crystals. Just because it wasn't hot enough with the chilies involved on its own. It's meant to be for one person. We're going to share it between the 2 of us. So I assume it's going to be less hot than if you're doing it on your own, but we will see. This is done by Blazing Food. You can buy it at deathnutch.com or...
That's for the link, by the way.
or where we got it from, hotheads with a Z, .com. That's where we usually get most of our hot sauces from. It was an absolute bargain. So go and get yourself some and hurt yourself. So it comes with a little warning. Caution, extremely hot, wear gloves. Given the current PPE shortages, we will not be wearing gloves. We're just going to make sure we definitely wash our hands before popping to the toilet after our beers. And it says good luck. There's some rules in the set. No liquids or food allowed until completion, so I'll be removing my beer. And chew entire contents of each level for 15 seconds. Wait 60 seconds before advancing to the next level. And after eating the contents of level 5, the Death Nut, you must endure a 5-minute burn to complete the challenge. If you film your Death Nut Challenge, which we are, please tag us. So that is something we'll be doing when we eventually upload this, editing out anything that makes us look like we're weak. Cool, so getting started. So it's Carolina Reaper and a chocolate butler. I don't know how you're meant to pronounce that. Pepper. Apparently this is the mild level.
Level 1. As you can see, it has a foil. It is a foil blister pack. It looks like a Dairy Dunkable if you hated children.
So we've got 4 nuts. So we split them 2 and 2.
Yeah, they're about the same, innit?
Cool. There we go. So even mild was a little bit hot, to be fair.
Really sweet though.
Nice. A good flavour. Obviously, now you have to wait 60 seconds for us. I imagine we're going to fast forward through some of this, so you don't have to sit in silence watching us do not a lot. We also haven't got a timer.
Mostly try to dislodge peanut from our teeth in as least unpleasing way possible.
I'm already regretting this. Same.
That was harder than expected.
Yeah.
It tasted weirdly sweet, like candy floss kind of sweet. Sugar, it was super sugary.
It's nice. So warming up. So Carolina Reaper and Ghost Pepper. Again, described as mild. Again, 4 nuts in the pack. 2 each. There we go. So definitely spicier. The next few are a whole different colour compared to the early mild ones. You can see that they're going to be quite significantly hotter.
That one tasted like chocolate.
Oh, I feel like I'm going to sneeze as well now.
Also, if you've ever wondered what our snots look like.
Oh.
I think it's about a minute.
It's got to be a minute, yeah?
What do you guys say? Oh, you're in the future. By the time this is airing, we could have been abducted by aliens.
So this pack's only got 3 in, but one's a big bastard, and there's 2 little ones. I'm going to go for the big one, because there's less coating on one big one than there is on 2 small, and that is my logistics.
They're all so sweet. Oh, geez.
So unless this one's a late bloomer, this one's fine for me. Well, easier than the last 2. Definitely. Do you struggle with that one?
I'm always struggling.
Obviously, different peppers hit you in different ways. Some are slow burns. I think the amalgamation of everything all together is going to make the Death Nut pretty bad. I also realise now that we haven't got any tissue, and we're probably going to start snotting. I'll take 2, and I'll take the biggest 2, and you take a little one. Yeah? You can have the tiny one. Have the tiny one.
It's fine.
So this is the pain Tetson. As I talk with my mouth full, I apologise. It's definitely getting hotter. We did tell you the links, hotheads.com, deathnutch.com, to go and get these from. I would definitely not recommend it. Maybe as a gift to someone you don't like, that's definitely an option. Did you just drink a beer?
No.
I definitely saw that. We're editing out that laugh. Those are definitely hot. So I should have told you. So the last lot were Carolina Reaper and Brain Strain Pepper, whoever that is. This one is Carolina Reaper. 2 Carolina Reaper. And Jonah Peppers. Last one, Stupid Hot. The Death Nut. 2 Carolina Reaper, Scorpion, and some capsicum crystals for shits and giggles. And there goes this being a kid-friendly video with my language. I apologise. So, one looks super angry, the other 2 not so much. So, I would hate the big bastards. Excuse me. Look at them.
Everyone thinking that I'm weakling out, that's going against feminism. Remember that. Judge and just see judge. Mike Judge.
God, that was hot. It was definitely hot. So, start. The time is going on. So my throat. Speaking my nose around. I feel like I need to burp. Yeah, the hiccups are on the horizon. I really hope you press play on this.
Oh shit. Oh, it's been a minute. Oh, is it 5 minutes?
5.
Fuck 5, I'm done.
Yeah. He's just come back with yogurt. It's halfway. It's done. Don't you dare waste all my chocolate.
I'm wasting all of it.
Oh god.
How are you feeling?
He did. The worst has passed. I'm going to be mouth breathing for a bit.
No different to normal.
But I would like to say, Sean from Hot Ones, I'm willing to come on. I'm not a celebrity. I've only got like 700 likes. I don't even run a channel. But I like hot food. I like to do challenges for fun. Invite me on. Talk about my business. Vinyl's booming. You do want to do some dramatic music to go over this?
Oh, like, sort it out and post.
Yeah. Because we're going to speed this bit up. Four minutes. We could probably just put a timer on it, couldn't we? On the bottom of the screen. So, we'll cut the sound back in again now. That's it. It's 5 minutes. No yogurt, no milk, not even a sip of my refreshingly cold beer. That is one damn hot challenge. And I highly recommend you challenge yourself in these times. We are Lathe to the Brave. Check out our business pages. Buy some vinyl. And have a fucking good lockdown.
Subscribe to Patreon. That made from
Carolina
we bought some
Reefer.
we bought some peanut. Oh, you can just edit that out.
Yeah.
Just fuck.
Okay.